Hello and welcome to another update video about RUNE. Yeah, on the RUNE chart, price continues to climb higher. It has seen a little bit of a sell-off now in the last few days. It's pulled back now to a trend line. So the latest price action allows us to draw a trend line here, an ascending trend line, onto the chart that is supporting the price. At the moment, we haven't got reliable 5 waves up, I think. It's a bit of a mess because we had a wave 1, we had a wave 2, we had our potential third wave. Yeah, at least potentially a third, then a fourth here. And then this is a mess, okay? What we've done here is a mess. We can give it a chance to count it as 5 waves up also here, but then it came down, rallied again. It's a bit of a messy price action. There's, trying to count that on the micro level doesn't really give us an advantage. However, because we have a potential 5 wave up, yeah, I mean, this, what I have labeled as a B wave top, could be the 5th wave of the first wave. And if price now comes down, if price breaks below the trend line, then I would still go with that support level that we discussed in previous videos, so $1.05. So from that point of view, nothing really changed to the previous update. $1.05 remains bullish support. It's the 78.6 Fibonacci retracement of the rally. Yeah. I would still like to see, for a more reliable 5 wave move, that it goes higher than, or at least reaches the $2 level again. Ideally higher, but $2 would be fine, because then we would at least get to that B wave top. Okay. Looking at the micro price action, it is tricky what happened here. You can see that this looks like as if wave 3 topped here on the 16th of August. We came down in an A wave. This is a 3 wave move up. At least it looks like a high B wave. Then we came down again, rallied again. It looks a bit like a running flat structure, ABC, which completed wave 4. Relevant support here is $1.46. Yeah, as long as that level is holding, I think we can push higher. However, I would also pay attention to the ascending trend line. And in an ideal world, we would continue to climb a little higher in a 5th wave. So the 5th wave could be here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So could still climb a bit higher, but the relevant support is, as I said, $1.46. So my point is here that I try to make is, if we break below the trend line, then I think we are heading for the yellow support area between $1.40 and $1.05. That is support. Where we need to pay attention then to the 50% FIB level, the 61.8 and the 78.6 FIB for relevant support or a potential turnaround signal. If price breaks below the trend line, then I would pay attention to $1.46. But I think when we get down to that level, we've already broken the trend line, so we're likely heading for that Fibonacci support. Ideally, for a more reliable 5 wave move up and to have a better chance, to have better probabilities that that a higher low is going to be made in the yellow support area, that we're not making a lower low and not heading for new bear market lows. For a more reliable 5 wave move up, it would be ideal if price can push to at least $2. Yeah, but you can pay attention to the trend line. The problem is this looks a bit like an ascending wedge pattern here. Okay. These typically do break to the downside. At some point this will break down. There's no way it's going to go up parabolically and break to the upside. I shouldn't say there's no way, but this will break down at some point, and then it will probably correct quite a bit and for some time. And then I would pay attention to that yellow support area. Below $1.05, we're going to head to new bear market lows, and we'll then have to expect prices below here 78 cents again. So yeah, you can see the selling already starts. Yeah, there are a lot of sellers in this area. You can see that price really has difficulties to push higher. You saw that spike, strong sell-off, lower high, okay, and now it's sort of pulled back to the trend line. Now it's all about the market, for the market to decide if we hold the trend line, if we can generate higher. And next target would be the $2 level. Or if we break down straight away. If we break down from here, it's not looking great. This, as I said before in the last video, I can only tell you this is not the most reliable 5 wave move up. But hey, we have the support area on the chart. We can give it a chance, and then just need to see if this support area is going to hold. Yeah, We had a trend reversal area here. We had one here. I did take that out. Now I will take this one out as well. We don't need it anymore. So potentially some good trades for anybody who followed the trend reversal boxes. And at some point we should get into this yellow region. Typically when we have a structure like that, an ascending wedge, the retracement that follows is quite deep. But yeah, let's see. I mean, next structural resistance is, yeah, it's around $2. It's this wave 4 high. That's going to be relevant. And that's also where we have this previous swing high, also around $2. So there should be quite a bit of resistance. The problem that we have here is it doesn't clearly look like 5 waves. Yeah, if you see this, that's the reason why I wanted a healthy and stronger 4th wave. If you zoom out, it still looks like 3. But we'll see. It fulfilled the Fibonacci extensions. So yeah, I mean, let's see. I think support should be clear. Long-term or medium-term bullish support should be clear as well. Upside targets should be clear as well. The trend line is very well defined. So yeah, let's see if the market can turn around here. If it wants to maintain the uptrend, to be honest, it should turn around here. Otherwise, it will break below the trend line, which will make it harder to keep up the upside momentum. That's my update about Rune. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.